Let's learn how to remove a link you put in your Instagram bio. Maybe you attach the link to your Facebook profile, some YouTube video, or any other reason. Now you want to remove it but don't know how. It's pretty simple, just follow my steps. So let's start. First, open your Instagram application. In bottom right corner of your screen, tap on your profile picture, which leads to your profile page. You can see that I have attached a YouTube video link, so let's now remove it. From profile page, we have to go to edit profile, so press it. Now when we are here, you will see many settings. We are interested links. This number 1 show you how much links do you have attached to your profile. I put only 1 for the purpose of this video. Tap on links option now. It will open a new links page with a list of your links and some options. Click the one where your link is located. For me, it's the middle one. After you've done that, you will see that now new page and buttons appeared. We are here to remove this link. So let's do it. Click red marked button. Little after and pop-up will appear. Press remove, and you are done. Now let's just check, did we remove the link? Let's go back to profile page, and as you can see, even after refresh, it's gone. Not more there, and you are finished. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.